Anyways, gonna heat this up to about 190 degrees Celsius and try and remove the back. Okay, so I'm finding out that if you're applying too much heat, unlike most of the other phones, it does get sort of discolored. You can see a bit of discoloration here. So you want to not apply heat in one place for a long period of time. You definitely want to apply it evenly. That sucks. Okay, so that was essentially not what we wanted to do, but it happened nonetheless. So what I think we should do is just carry on.
So on inspection, when the glass was removed, I found out there was a thick piece of adhesive there, and we didn't heat it up enough in the area. I was trying to be delicate not to damage the actual back glass by heating it up, but the adhesive was a little bit more in from the sides, so that's why that broke. I've done multiple ones now since then, and they haven't broke. And it's just you want to heat it up properly, and you actually just want to slide the pick along rather than prying with this particular one. You can see I got my thumb underneath the screen with this particular model. You don't want to do that as much. You just want to slide the pick along and just maybe leave, pull it up a little bit, but not as much as I was doing there. So now we just want to remove the screws and place them in a nice orderly fashion on your magnetic mat.
Alright, so just a phone call I had to take there. Anyways, I've got these screws all out here, fairly straightforward. I've put them in a nice order so I can get back to them at any time. And I am going to now pop this up like so. And now I'm going to delicately disconnect so disappointing that they don't have the separate charge port, sorry. So it looks like we just have the battery left. Alright, that battery's out.
Now that's in place as well. So now I'm going to put this on.
And I'm going to screw it back in place. Alright, so just putting a few more screws here, and what we're going to do now is this glass is broken, but I'm going to put it on anyways. I've put 2 strips of tape here and here just with some red adhesive, and now I'm going to put this guy on. And I don't want it to stay on too well because I do have to replace this for the customer. And then I'm going to turn it on. And away we go. Brand new screen. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.